Hello viewers, welcome to DataSkills Academy. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Power BI Desktop for Windows. Open the browser. Type Download Power BI Desktop. Click on first link that appears. We also provided the link in the description. Scroll down, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu, and click on the download button. Now, choose the version. If your system is 32-bit, download the first one. If your system is 64-bit, download the second one. Again, click on Download. Now your installation file is downloaded. Go to the folder where you saved the installation file. Open the file, select the language, click on Next. Check mark on Accept the agreement and click on Next. Choose the destination path of where you want to save it. Check the Create Desktop shortcut and then Install. After the installation is completed, open Power BI from your desktop shortcut. Here it is, you have successfully created Power BI Desktop. If you've learned something new from this video and looking for tutorials similar to this, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching.